it's Gina from WTI. My favorite thing to drink when I have a dry or scratchy throat is this Throat Soother tea from Numi. I love that it has a combination of herbs in it that are just perfect for making my throat feel better. I like to drink a cup before I have to speak in front of people, or if I'm just feeling like I need a little bit of extra support for my throat. It has sage, licorice, marshmallow root, clove, and cinnamon in it. It definitely is licorice root forward, so if you like that kind of taste like I do, then you're gonna really enjoy this tea. I'm not overly fond of tea that's cinnamon or clove forward, and this definitely just has a hint of it, enough for it to be flavorful but not overwhelming. A little tip for you if you like a stronger brew. I do use 2 tea bags when I'm making it in my 14-ounce mug. I feel like it enhances the flavor and gives me a little bit stronger benefit. If you're looking for a really good herbal, non-caffeinated tea that you can enjoy any time of day, but especially before bed at night so that it's not going to keep you up, then I recommend the Numi Throat Soother tea, but that's just my point of view.